Kamusta kayong lahat? It's been a while since my last vlog. Today, we're going to do unboxing video sa item na in-ordered ko from Shopee. I ordered this April 18, dumating siya April 22, and it was delivered by J&T Express. Yung item na in-order ko is a professional live stream phone camera with ring light. It has 3-mode lighting adjustment: day white, mix white, and warm white. It has flexible long arm with adjustable cell phone holder. Yung power supply niya guys is USB, and this is compatible with tablet, mobile phone, PC, and power bank. It has 2-inch clip holder that can also work as a desk lamp and a mobile phone selfie light. Maayos naman yung packaging niya, and it came out without damage. Overall, satisfied naman ako sa item, and I recommend this especially sa mga nag-online class. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.